unfortunately, just there's no seats.
That's right.
So, cars to seat. He's a good smoker. Don't put your phone too close.
I know.
It's too hot. You won't have a phone fun.
Really pretty up here. Happy that it's so overcast, but I'm also happy at the same time that I'm not going to get sunburned. My brother-in-law down there with the quad bike. Yeah.
He was up here last time.
Yeah.
That's good.
One of the Angus mooers. Hi, Mooey. Mooer. Yes, all cows have to be called mooers.
It's been raining more than what it's been dry, so this time it was a little bit dry.
Hey guys, well, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess. I'm gonna ignore, well, not gonna ignore, I'm gonna say ignore my teeth at the moment. I broke my veneer last night, so yeah, kind of annoying. But today's video, I thought I would do a shop with me at Kmart type video. I haven't been to Kmart in months. Like, I've been doing click and collect orders, which is one of the reasons why we're going now to get it, because we did do a click and collect thing last night. But I thought I would actually have a look in store. Do I have something on my glasses? I do. Let me clean that. But yeah, I thought I would do a come shop with me at Kmart and see what I get at Kmart. So let's go. Alrighty, we are in Kmart. I've got my mask on because I always do when I go out. So let's have a look at any new stuff, shall we? Oh, they've got their own beauty fridge. How cool is that? How much is that one? $49, and it's in white as well. That's pretty cool. Electric facial cleansing brush. $20 in clearance. I was after the oh, here we are. Straightening brush. 22. Nothing too special in the hair department. Let's have a look at makeup. My favourite, BYS. Nothing new though, which is really weird. Oh, here we are, OXX. I've got none of the new eyeshadows that they've got on my hand. There are still not many. This is actually kind of cute. I'm going to see if I can open it one-handed. That's actually kind of cute. $10. That's cute. I'll consider that one. And then they've got these little, like, Huda Beauty looking palettes. How cute are they? More stuff. Oh, they've got these ones. That kind of looks like Natasha Denona vibes. And they've got the cream buns that everybody's going nuts on Instagram about. They haven't really got like a huge makeup section anymore. If they cut down, I think they might have. No, it's not that great anymore, really. Bathroom section. Oh, they've got the jade rollers. Where are they? There. They're quite pretty. A bit disappointing actually, this section. Actually, this is interesting. They've got Nip and Fab at Kmart, all on clearance. It's not too bad. I've actually tried a few of their stuff, they're not bad. Interesting. Right, now I'm having a look in the clothing section because the beauty section is a little bit disappointing, if I'm honest. Look around. Nothing's really speaking to me. Yeah, clearance. Nothing really overly grabbing my attention. Aren't you beautiful? What are you doing? What are you doing? Let me get my hair. That's a good boy.